That's a big one. Oh, that's gone bad already. Is that you eating our potato? It's okay, we don't mind. Go back inside. You too. Go, keep going, keep eating it. I will leave some for you. I will leave some potato for you to eat. Yeah, maybe we left it too long. Ah, this one also. Yep. It was too late. It's like a narrow window. It's like a narrow window. If you leave it too long, it's actually too late. We cannot eat this anymore, but what we can do is cut it and store it in a dry place and replant it again. Let's dig. Let's find them. Here we go. Nice. So satisfied. That's what happened to you. That's already gone bad. Okay, decomposed like that. And even if you don't pick them up, it's fine. They will just stay. They will compost. Look at that. I like it. I like it. It feels right and healthy and so delicious. They have a special taste, different taste. Okay, what to do? Okay, here we go. Nice, lovely. Here's the thing is because we are composting, whatever we harvest, if we don't eat it, we just keep it here. Like if it's something not edible anymore, we just keep it here and compost it straight away, so we don't have to take it home and throw it in the trash or something. We don't do that. It's like the potato, the one that is gone bad already, I just leave it there to compost. Give it a second chance, basically. It will break down again into nutrition and provide the nutrition needed for the second plant. It's a win-win. Oppa! Come here. Wow. Small one, tiny. Yeppa! To pick up this one. Yeah. There's just one. Let's dig. Here we go. Yeppa! The bigger one usually deeper. I don't know. Is it a rule or something? They grow bigger if they're deeper. Oh. Here we go. Earthworm, sorry. Just give me some space and I will free up the space for you. Please eat. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's too late. Yeah, it's all gone bad. This is still okay. No, it's not. It's not okay. How about this one? This is okay. Yeah. And we will compost them. Easy. It's fine. That is all right. Oh yeah. 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 It's already gone bad. It's maybe 1 week too late, I think. That's alright, we are learning. How about you? It's still good. Here we go. Since it's doing good. Okay, alright, gotcha. Good, still good. You are not potato, are you? No, you're not. Okay, please give a space for something else. Thank you. Nice. This is bad. Composting. This one is still okay. It's good. There's a big one that has gone bad. Yeah. Composting. Hello there. Go. This is our business partner over here. This is the gone bad one. Just leave them there to compost. Compost them next time we come. healthy. Too late. Too late. Okay. Good. Alright, this is the last one. Harvest today. Wow, that's a big one. Happy. Wow, look at that. Oh, so heavy. It's so heavy. Potato, our harvest for the day. Oh, yeah, I'm not that strong. It's literally like 7-8 kilos in there. Bye for now.